Hi everyone, here we've got Motorola One Fusion Plus, and let me show you how to change video resolution on this device. So actually all you have to do is simply open the camera app and let's choose the settings. Here, as you can see, we've got the main camera, which is at the back, and the selfie camera, and on both we can change the video size. So let's tap on it, and here we've got some options to choose from. Let me pick something like this, and as you can see, it is immediately applied. So from now on you will be record videos in chosen quality, and the same situation will be with the selfie camera. Let's tap on the video size and choose from the options. So that's all. This is how to change video resolution in your Motorola One Fusion Plus. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.